Generative AI assistants are increasingly integrated into applications, often appearing as a chat interfaces to provide contextual support for various tasks. These AI driven assistants help users streamline workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and enhance productivity within their respective application. Microsoft Copilot is a generative AI based assistant seamlessly embedded across Microsoft ecosystem, enabling users to work more efficiently. Whether in Microsoft 365, Windows, or Dynamic 365, Copilot offers an AI-powered suggestion, content creation, and automation to enhance user experience. For business users, Copilot accelerates productivity and creativity by generating content and automates routine tasks. For developers, Copilot extends the functionality by integrating with business processes and data, enabling the creation of custom AI-driven experiences. Microsoft Copilot can be summoned across various applications, including M365 apps like Outlook and Word, providing a real-time assistant while users work. In the following examples, we'll explore different ways Copilot enhances applications and how business can adopt and extend its capabilities. Organizations can leverage generative AI at three levels based on their needs and integration preference. First, when using a pre-built AI assistant, tools like M365 Copilot provide out-of-the-box AI support, helping users work smarter within existing applications. And then secondly, extending Copilot for custom business needs. Business can integrate Copilot with internal data, ensuring responses are tailored to organizational workflows. And then finally, building custom AI-powered agents. Organizations can create their own AI assistants to embed generative AI into applications and services for unique customer experiences. Copilot extends beyond M365, offering AI-powered web browsing and document generation. We have Microsoft Copilot web app available at copilot.microsoft.com. This tool allows users to ask questions, generate text and images, and provide research. Signing with a work or school account enables AI assistant access to internal organizational data. M365 Copilot integrates into daily productivity apps, helping users generate, refine, and summarize documents in Microsoft Word, create presentations from emails or documents in Microsoft PowerPoint, summarize emails and manage schedules in Microsoft Outlook, and then automate tasks in Excel, Teams, and Windows to optimize workflow. Beyond productivity, Copilot enhances specialized business tools through Microsoft Dynamic 365. For sales team, Copilot integrates with CRM systems to provide instant access to customer and industry insights, helping sales professionals qualify leads, generate proposals, and close deals efficiently. For customer service, Copilot in Dynamic 365 Customer Service analyze support tickets, identify similar issues, and suggest resolutions, enabling service teams to respond quickly with minimal efforts. Copilot for data analysts and business intelligence. Data analysts rely on code and visualization tools to analyze data and extract insights eventually. Microsoft Copilot enhances analytics and reporting through Microsoft Fabric, which automates code generation in Spark Notebook, helping analysts process and visualize data more efficiently. And then finally, Power BI, which suggests relative data visualizations based on existing datasets, making it easier to create insightful reports.